Lechon, yes, this is why I'm here. You want me to try? Okay, all right.
Carcar
Sure.
is one of the main source of the original lechon that locals and tourists appreciate it much because of the tender and juicy meat with a crunchy, tastier skin.
Delicious.
Cebu Carcar Lechon is one of the affordable place to buy lechon and eat lechon. Every region has its own take on lechon, but Cebu has made a name for itself by perfecting the pig that doesn't need any dips or sauces. There is a place in Cebu that's getting recognized as the place to get lechon, and that is Carcar City. While it is located around 90 minutes away from the city center, both locals and tourists make the journey to have a taste of the special lechon. What makes it different from the lechon in the rest of the island is that Carcar's take is served with sabaw, or in fancy culinary terms, autos. This sabaw comes from the drippings of the lechon, so none of the flavor is wasted.